Hello friends, today we will do the concept of class 10th chapter 8 exercise 8.2 trigonometric value table. Yes, you know how many t ratios are here? 6. Firstly, I have written sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. You have to write in same manner sine, cos, tan, and sine's reciprocal. Firstly, cosecant, cos, secant, and tan's cot. You know these are the reciprocals to each other. Now I have written on that 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. After that, what I have done, you have to read in this manner sine 0, 0, sine 30, 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by root 2, sine 60, root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. So in this manner you will read cos 0, 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, means you will pick the angle and in that one. Similarly others. So I have made one symbol here. This is known as undefined, infinity, where tan 90 is undefined and cosecant 0 is also undefined. Cot 0 is also undefined. Secant 90 is undefined. 4 values are here where your function of trigonometry will be undefined. Clear? Now you have to remember these values how it came, because this exercise is fully dependent on this table. Clear? 30, 45, 60 and 90, and in this manner you will write ratios. I tell you one thing here, sine 0, 0, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. After that I tell you कि cos how will you remember? First line you have to remember, and cos for cos what will you write? You will write the reverse of sine. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Means you have to remember sine. Cos you can learn by reversing the sine values. And in tan what you have to do? In tan you have to divide 0 upon 1, 0 upon something is always 0, and 1 upon 2 upon root 3 by 2. You know 2 will be cancelled, 1 by root 3. And here also these both will be cancelled, only 1 is left. And here only root 3 is left. And 1 upon 0 is undefined. 0 whenever will be in denominator, result will be undefined. And for cosecant, you know 0 is here. 0 in denominator anything can be there. So 0 upon 1 is your sine value. When you know कि sine is reciprocal of cosecant, in cosecant you will take 1 upon 0. So what is there? Undefined. And here 2 upon 1 is 2. And here root 2. 2 by root 3. 1's reciprocal is 1. And similarly with the others, sine's reciprocal cosecant, cos reciprocal secant, tan's reciprocal is cot. You have to remember only sine. Cos I told, tan you know by dividing them, cosecant by taking reciprocal of sine, secant by reciprocal of cos, cot by reciprocal of tan. Only you have to remember the values of sine theta. I hope you are getting 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Now let us discuss the examples. First one is evaluate sine 60, cos 30 plus sine 30 and cos 60. Then you will see what is the value of sine 60. See, in sine up to 60 you will go. What is there? Root 3 by 2. Cos 30. Cos 30 is where? Here. Root 3 by 2. Plus same. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is cos 60. 1 by 2. You know these are in multiplication. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 2s are 4. plus 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. Now I have taken LCM, you can take easily. So your answer is what? 1. I hope you are getting. If you have learned this table, then clearly you can do these types of sums. Next, one more question. Evaluate cos 45 upon secant 30 plus cosecant 30. Cos 45's value is 1 by root 2. Secant 30 value is 2 by root 3. Cosecant 30 is 2 by 1. You can verify cos 45 is 1 by root 2. I put secant 30. Where is secant 30? 2 by root 3. Similarly, cosecant 30 is your 2. So, after putting the values, what I have taken? LCM. So, in LCM, I got 1 by root 2. And here root 3 was not there. So, it is multiplied here. So, after that, I have taken its reverse. You know, when 4 terms are here, then you will multiply this term with this and numerator with the last one. So I multiplied, remember, this multiplied with the consecutive term and first one with the last one. Then 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2. Then 2 is outside, 1 is here. 2 into 1 is 2. Root same, 3 into 2, 6. I hope you are getting multiplied. And one thing more, whenever you will see ki root term is it in denominator, you will not give up here. You will make it rationalization through simple. So, after that, I have taken its rationalization. Then 2 root 3 into root 2 is root 6 minus 2 as it is. Root 3 into root 60, root 18. This is a plus b, a minus b. This is equal to a square minus b square. Now, in numerator, I have taken 2 as a common and 18 I factorized. So, 3 into 2. So, 3 is making pair. So, it can be taken out. So, only root 2 is left. And here, you know that 2 root 2 square means 2 root 2, 2 times you will write. So, 2 2s are 4, root 2 into root 2 is 2. So, what is the answer here? 8. So, I have written 8 minus 2 root 6 whole square. 2 root 6 means 2 root 6 2 times. 2 into 2 is 4. Root 6 into root 6. If same term with the same root is multiplied, then you multiply, you are getting 24. So, after that plus minus 16 you got. You have divided them, minus 1 by 8. So, I have taken minus as a common. So, I reduced this one. This is your result. You can leave there also, but my motive is to always you have to eliminate the square root term from the denominator. That's why you know how to do. You have to change its sign for rationalization. Then after that multiply. Always you will get in denominator this identity. And open it, you will get this result. Next is evaluate sin 30, tan 50 means 45. These are given. Firstly put the values. I have taken the LCM by keeping 1 here. 2 root 3. 2 is here, root 3 is not here. Then for others I have taken here. After that take denominator here also. Denominator will be cancelled. Then you will see 1 and 2 will be added because both are having same square root term. So 3 root 3, you know these terms are added from outside only. Root 3 kept same, minus 4. And here this is 1 root 3, 2 root 3. It will become 3 root 3 plus 4. Then you will change its sign. So it is becoming identity of whole square, a minus b whole square. This already I told that this identity will be a square minus b square. Then I opened identity a square plus b square minus 2ab. I know कि you know कि how to open the square. A square means 3 root 3 into root. 3 into 3 is 9. Root 3 into root 3, 3. So 27 will be there. 16 you know and multiplied. After that you are getting this answer. Next, choose correct option and check. You have to see which answer is correct for this one. I have taken, then I have written the values of tan 30. After that I got 2 upon root 3. 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3 only. You know, same term squared, only left. Then I have taken LCM. Yes, after taking LCM, what I did, you know, this is multiplied with this. It is 4. 4 root 3 will become in denominator. 3 2s are 6. After that I have cut here. You know, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. And root 3 and only 3 is there. So I cancelled, only root 3 will become. You know na, ki root 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So 1 it is cancelled, only 3 root is left. So this is your answer. What is the value of root 3 by 2? Root 3 by 2 किसकी value है? sin 60 की. Yes, its value is 1 by 2. Its value is root 3 and its value is 1 by 2. So root 3 by 2 value is sin 60. So your option is first. Next is 1 minus tan square 45 upon 1 plus tan square 45. Which one is correct? You have to choose. Tan 45 you know, you will put the value here. So 1 minus 1 square means 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. So 1 plus 1 2. 0 upon something is answer is 0. So I see option this one is correct. Next is sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is. मतलब आपको ये चेक करना है कि a की कौन सी वैल्यू है यहाँ से कि जो इन दोनों को साइड्स को इक्वल कर दे. आई पिक्ड फ्रॉम ऑप्शंस नाउ बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट ईजी कि मैं ऐसे ओपन कर लूँ. मैंने बाई ऑप्शन स्टार्ट किया रजे. आई हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम फर्स्ट ऑप्शन दैट इज़ 0. आई पुट इन लेफ्ट साइड फर्स्टली sin 2 इंटू 0. 0 से कोई भी टर्म मल्टीप्लाई की 2 इंटू 0 इज़ योर 0. सो sin 0 इज़ योर वैल्यू इज़ 0. Then I have taken in right side 2 sin a. A is your 0. Sin 0 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. So left is equal to right side. Which angle is making it equal? 0 degree. Next is if tan a plus b. Very very important question is this one. Tan a plus b is equal to root 3. Tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. And given ki a plus b values lies between 0 and 90. A is greater than b. Find a and b. Two equations you are given. Yes, firstly you will observe right side. You have to write the value of this in form of tan. You know root 3 is on value of tan 60. So in next step I have written left side same. I have written to them tan 60. So tan will be cancelled. Only a plus b is equal to 60 will be left. Then in second equation I have taken. Then 1 by root 3 I have seen ki on which value of tan it is there. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan you will not cancel, but you will see ki only you will write this one. Now you will get these two equations. I hope you are getting ki whenever you will solve first and second equation, plus and minus will be subtracted. Yes, cancelled. Only a plus 8 will become your 2a. 60 plus 30 is 90. So after solving a is your 45. In any equation you can put 45 minus b is equal to 30 and you will find the other. You can put here also and here also, but answer will be same in both. Clear? Next one more example of this type of question. If sin of a minus b is 1 by 2, cos of a plus b equal to 1 by 2, where a is greater than b, find a and b. Now it is given to you in form of sin. So we will write the value of this in form of sin. Why? Because they will cancel only then. So 1 by 2 is value on sin 30. So a minus b is equal to 30. One equation I got. Now cos a plus b equal to 1 by 2. You have taken. You will write the value of 1 by 2 in term of cos now. In term of cos because they will cancel. After that you got these two equations. Whenever you will solve them, then negative will cancel with positive. A plus a is your 2a. 30 plus 60 is 90. Divided by 2 you got a is 45. When a is 45 you put here. Then you on subtraction you are getting 15 degree. Clear? A is 45, B is 15 degree. Next and last one question is, in triangle PQR, right angle at Q. एक ट्राइंगल है पी क्यू आर जिसमें हमें क्यू क्या दे रखे हैं 90 डिग्री, जिसमें हमें पी क्यू की जो साइड है वो 3 दे रखी है, पी आर की 6, और आपको ये वाले दो एंगल फाइंड करने हैं, नोट साइड एंगल यू हैव टू फाइंड, नो साइड. I calculated the side also. If you don't want, then you can leave. By Pythagoras theorem, this is a previous concept you know कि by Pythagoras theorem you can find the third side. I calculated, but I will not use it. Now see, you have to find which angle. Whenever you have given this angle, it means you have to find mid angle. Between angle that is there na, you have to find that angle, means angle P you have to find and angle R. No problem, whenever you will write QRP also to this, it is same, because you will see the measurement of in center angle only in between. Clear? So this is for P and R. One angle you have given, right angle at Q means 90 is given. In triangle how many angles are there? 3. One is given 90, 2 angle you have to find. Now how will I find? You know you have to find R angle. So sin theta is equal to, you know, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. I tell you, sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. You know what theta do you want here, because you want angle R. For R I will put sin R. Clear? क्योंकि मेरे को R फाइंड करना है, मेरे को किसी तरह से साइन तो मैं कैंसिल कर दूंगी. I have to find what? R. तो मैं क्या करूँगी, P और H की वैल्यू पुट करूँगी. एंड यू नो दिस थिंग कि अगर जिस एंगल को हम रेफरेंस एंगल ले रहे हैं वो हमारा क्या बन जाएगा, बेस. सो फॉर R एंगल दिस इज़ योर बेस. आर एंगल जब रेफरेंस होएगा तो बी हमारा क्या है, बेस. दिस इज़ हमारा पी, दिस इज़ एच. सो नाउ आई विल पुट पी. पी इज़ माई 3, एच इज़ माई 6. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग. पी इज़ योर 3 एंड एच इज़ योर 6. यू डोंट नीड बी. सो आई पुट हेयर साइन आर इज इक्वल टू 3 1 3 2 6 1/2. So on which value sin is 1/2? On 30. So sin cancel, R you got 30. Clear? Now you know in angle sum property, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180. Angle Q is right angle, that is given to you. R you already calculated by measurement of T ratio. Yes. You can find P also, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. With the help of any side, any angle you can calculate it. So after that I found also P. So I hope you are getting easy to get, but remember the table also. It's my request to all of you.